Hello everyone, today I'll be doing an acrylic pouring with you using a canvas that is 60 centimeters by I think 20 centimeters. Just a small thin edge, got my pins on the back. The method that I'll be using or technique will be using a silicone funnel and string. So I've just got different lengths here that I cut out, like I said, different lengths. So let's get started and get right into it, and I'll show you the colors once zoomed in. Okay, so the acrylic paints that I will be using is, I'm going to go in first with turquoise paint. I'm going to just obviously push it down here first. I'm going to go in between each colour with the white, so just a little drip of white, it's enough. And then I've got like a pastel yellow colour here. Once again going in with the white paint. A little bit of white. Now I'm going to go in, I've got a dark metallic blue paint. Oops. Again with the white acrylic paint. So I've mixed these paints with just water. So nothing crazy, nice and easy to mix the acrylic paints. Oops. So this one's a pastel pink colour. So I'm going to go back and hopefully this doesn't tip. Being silicone, it's not steady. And back in with the turquoise. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna flow the paint all over. Is it coming out? Yep, here it goes. Now I don't know if that's gonna be enough paint. I might actually do some more. So, oops, I'll fast forward this bit until we get to the tilting stage. I'm going to go around and put some white everywhere just so it flows a bit better. Okay, so now I've done the tilting process, I'm going to go in with these pieces of string Actually, do you know what will be easier? Actually dipping the string straight into the white acrylic paint little tub here, or cup that I've got here. So do that instead, and then it's not wasting paint either. So just going, move that out of the way. Go in. It's like it wants to just attach to the sides. Okay, I'll use this just to get it down into there. Okay, now out. And I'm just going to put, I don't really like this side of the paint, the canvas. Bear in mind, I have never done this before. Okay. It's like it just wants to stick to the side. Maybe it's because it's got paint on the sides of the cup. Okay. Go down, go down. I'm going to more concentrate over this side. Just trying to go like a wave theme. Let's give this a go, because it may even just not even look any good. Okay, so I'm guessing you just pull the string. What are you thinking? Bit different? Very different. Okay, let's keep going. I like it. Bit of a white blob there, not too sure what happened. Okay. In you get. Okay, I mean this one. All right, all done, I think. I think. It looks good how it is. Coastal acrylic theme, acrylic pour theme, I should say. I will let it dry and take some photos. But thank you all for watching, and please subscribe and like and comment on all my videos. That would be great. I will see you next time. Bye.